Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The residents of Jutian Township in Pingtung County are overwhelmingly Hakka, and the area is a hotbed of Hakka culture and old-style architecture. Take the train to Jutian train station and check out the old wooden station that's almost 70 years old. Jutian also boasts an old trail area and a Hakka museum. For experiencing authentic Hakka culture in southern Taiwan, nothing beats Jutian Township.
屏东县竹田乡的居民以客家族群居多。到竹田旅行，可以搭火车到竹田车站，参观已有近70年历史的木造老车站；铁道文化园区竹田艺园、六堆忠义祠、客家文物馆，体验台湾老车站文化及浓郁的客家风情。Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo.
Hello 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and I'm not 阿邊哥, he is 阿邊哥. And today we'll talk about another destination right here that is in Pingtung County. But you gotta tell you, okay, a lot of young people, when you say Pingtung County, what they think of first is the beautiful beach down at the southern tip called 垦丁。可是事实上，屏东县是一个很多这个资源的地方，其实文化也蛮多的。
沒錯，尤其屏東對客家人來講其實佢當村嘅叫做位數。
哦，是嗎？
屏東要當到客家人。
哦，真的啊？
喺泰魯嗰邊過來嘅時節就分咗2條路。
哦，有2條路。
一片係北部上來，一片係南部上來。
Okay, so when the Hakka immigrated to Taiwan, some of them came from Pingtung. So that's why we're talking about Pingtung right now. And there's a place called 竹田鄉。竹田鄉怎麼說？
竹田鄉。
竹田鄉 okay? Because I know this place is very special. Anyways, this place that we're taking you today is called Jutian County, and it's very well known for its wooden-built train station, and that's one of only 18 left here in Taiwan, which makes it really special, and I'm sure it's got a lot of culture to it too. And I think it's very sentimental to see a wooden-built train station. 我覺得特別有感覺，看到那種木造的那種火車站。
蘇維州嘅火車頭。
哦，就這麼簡單。蘇維州嘅就是樹做的，木頭做的。
木頭做的。
蘇維州嘅
火車頭。
火車頭 Okay, that's a wooden-built train station. So let's review some of these terms right here. 竹田 Town.
竹田鄉。
竹田鄉. And of course, you want to visit the 竹田車站。
竹田車頭。
竹田茶條 that's a train station. And then finally, this is a wooden-built train station. 它是一個木造的火車站。
蘇維州嘅火車頭。
蘇維州嘅火車頭。And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.